Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to cash out your Yupp AI. Yupp works using a point system called Yupp credits. Every new user receives 5,000 credits when they sign up. These credits are used to access AI models, including powerful and expensive ones. When you provide helpful and thoughtful feedback, you earn credits back. The better your feedback, the more credits you receive, allowing you to keep using the platform without paying. For users who consistently provide high-quality feedback, Yupp offers something extra. That is the ability to cash out a portion of those credits. Cash out is a way for Yupp to recognize and appreciate meaningful contributions to the AI community. Credits can be converted into real money in many currencies, including USD, Euro, and more. Payments are supported through providers like Stripe, PayPal, Coinbase, and stablecoins through blockchain integration. The cash out feature is rolling out globally, but access is gradual. You may not see it enabled right away, and that is normal. To increase your chances, use Yupp naturally for your daily needs. Ask questions, compare answers from multiple AIs, and give clear feedback using the preference tools. Once cash out is unlocked for your account, it will appear in your profile menu. Keep in mind that cash out is a privilege, not a guarantee. Access can be paused if activity drops or rules are violated. Fairness is handled through automated systems to protect the platform. Thanks for watching.